Guys, I've gotten a lot of questions about how to do mailings on, with the Metro 2 software. So this is my video on how you can do your mailings without having to write them all in using the software, using some software so that you can print out all of your mail. So the first thing you do is open up Microsoft Word, a blank document here. And one of the things that Microsoft has is mailings, and it's called Mail Merge, but it's one of the things that Microsoft has had for a while, and if you don't use it, you don't know it's there. So the next thing you want to do is go to Envelopes, make sure Omit is checked on Return Address, because you don't want it to use your address, because that would defeat the purpose of you making it for your clients. Alright, everything else is default. You can leave it, use settings from your printer, and you hit OK. So it's going to give you a envelope shaped canvas here. And one of the things you have to do to prep for this is download your Metro 2 attacks. So your Metro 2 attacks are going to look something like this. And then the last file that comes over with your Metro 2 attacks is a CSV. The CSV, which stands for comma separated values, gives you all of the addresses that you need for you and your recipient here. So that would be Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, or any of the bureaus that you're mailing to. If you have a client, then their name would be here, not your own name. Once you have the target that you're going to import into the mail merge here, you want to go to select recipients, use existing list, and you browse to the place where your list is. I have a list here, so I'm just going to drop it in here and it'll go there. Open, and then it gives you this box and pretty much asking you how do you want to convert this list. And I don't have to do anything. It comes over as default for me. Normally for other people that I've helped out, this is the default for what comes over for them. You want to just make sure it's left to right, Western, and then if you have a Mac, then it's Mac OS. The first thing here for Windows would probably be Windows. I don't know. So you hit OK, and then your recipients are in here even though you don't see them. So I'm going to show you this real quick. So down here you can see this is my recipient list, and you have your header here, client name, address, city, state, zip, file name, recipient name, address, city, state, zip. So this is the exact same thing that you're going to see when you have your insert fields here. So these are the fields you're going to use to make your template here, and the reason that it's blank is because we haven't inserted anything into the template. So what you want to do is go to where you want your template to start. If you are okay with how it looks, then you can leave it. I know I want mine at 12 point to start off, so I'll go back to mailings here, insert client name, because that's the first thing you want to see. I'll hit enter, client address, enter again, client city. I'll hit comma here and then give it a space, state, space, zip. This is how I want my return address to look, so that's what it looks like for me. I know just based on previous mail merge experience that there is a page break after this, and I don't want there to be a page break between my return address and my recipient address. That's going to be down here, so I remove this box and I use this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll tab it over like 7 times, and I'll start doing my recipients. So recipient name, recipient address, and same thing with all the other information. This information comes over together. It's not like this one where you have to format it. So this one comes over normally. This one normally comes over formatted, and you can see over here how it's formatted. So this is what my information looks like right now on the envelope. I want this to be a little bigger, so I'm going to go home, make this 16, and then now I'm done. So everything that comes in now, this is the template for how it's going to come in. If you want to see what it looks like, make sure you did it right. You can click this preview results. So now you can see the first line of what I have is what's previewed here. So the next thing you want to do is finish and merge. Again, this is what I do. The edit individual documents shows me all 3 of the documents that I have over here, and you can see the section break now. So it shows me all 3 of them. When you import a real mail merge, or when you import a real Metro 2 attack, it will give you a pop-up box that says the last row was empty. So you don't have to worry about that. You can just click off of that and then just keep going. So the next thing you want to do is hit print. Choose whatever printer you have that you have set up for your envelopes, and then you hit print, and then you're done. Hopefully this is informative, something that you needed, and it helps you with, saving time on not having to write those things out by hand. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to get them answered. Thanks.